Once the harness straps are routed through the selected set of slots, turn the carrier over, and from the seat back, it's time to attach the harness straps to the metal harness plate. On the bottom of your seat, you have 2 bars. It's important to make sure that the harness adjuster strap is passing underneath the bar on the bottom, and the harness straps must pass underneath the upper bar. Those bars are what attach your carrier to the base, so it's important that nothing be obstructing them. Once you've routed the harness straps correctly, open up the loop at the end of the harness strap and slip it into the opening on the metal harness plate. You'll probably need to scrunch the webbing a little bit in order to get it to fit up into the slot. And then once it's up, you can just slide it over and straighten it out. Make sure as you attach the webbing to the harness plate that there are not any twists in the webbing. Once both straps are attached, do a double check to make sure that they're completely contained inside the metal of the harness plate.